Moose here in the garage, folks, today, and we're talking helmets and I guess destructive testing. Hey everybody, I just want to do a really quick video, real short one here. This is my LS2 Advant X Helmet. I bought it last year. I received it on April 7th, or I bought it on April 7th, and today is May 6th. So a little over a year and a month, or a little under a year and a month. But it's been a good helmet, but I had a few issues with it, and that came to fruition this year. The gasket on this helmet separated from the helmet itself, as you can see right there. I looked on Nolan's, not Nolan, but I looked on LS2's website, and it stated that you're supposed to register your helmets within 15 days of receiving it. I never did that. But I thought, you know what, let me get a hold of RevZilla, the company I bought it through, and see if there's anything they can do to help me. If not, I'm stuck with the helmet. I'll fix it or buy another one. And it's a $500 helmet. It's not cheap, but it's not an expensive helmet in the realm of what is considered a high dollar helmet, right? You know, like a Shoei, a Schuberth, and a Rye. But to my dismay and to my excitement, they contacted me back a few days later after they went through a few things, and they said they will get the helmet warranted. I'm like, awesome. And basically told, send the helmet back, we'll warranty it. Once it's through the warranty process, we'll put the money back on your account minus the shipping and stuff, and you can buy another helmet. And I'm like, well, that's good, but I leave for a trip here, and at that point, a little over a month. It was last month I did this in April. And I was like, oh, you know, maybe I'll do is I'll buy a new helmet myself, and then I'll use the money from that helmet return to buy something else. So I wrote back and told them, hey, can I do this? You know, since you're putting the money on the account, I'll buy something else. Well, they write back, and they're like, oh, well, if you want to buy the new helmet, go ahead and buy it. Send me back an email with your order number to show that you purchased the helmet. And what we'll do is, when we get the other helmet back, we'll do the warranty exchange, and we will put the money back on your card you're using to buy the new helmet with, because it'll be a new purchase. And I'm like, perfect. So I bought the new helmet. It's right here. It's another LS2. I'm hoping that was just a fluke. We'll find out in a year. If not, I won't go with any more of these helmets, but for right now, we're trying it again. New bag. The bag is black this time and shaped more like a helmet bag as opposed to last time's was a squared off bag. In fact, this is the only helmet I've ever purchased that came with a bag. Came with this pouch like all of them do, and it's a brand new, same color, LS2 helmet. So we now have the brand new one. And I need to get this ready for getting on the bike here soon. But I also got to get the other one ready to go back for shipping. I'm not sure if I'm going to have it ready for shipping today. I'll probably get up tomorrow morning and work on that. Get it in the box and get all the mounts off. But I just want to do a real quick video to say RevZilla is awesome. They got the warranty done for me. And I got a brand new helmet in my hand. And hopefully one that'll last a little longer than the last one did. So, you know, don't think you're stuck and not able to fix something. Get a hold of the company and see what they say. It's worth the time. I'm glad I did. All right, go out and see something.